Good morning, everyone. Welcome to GANESH Coaching of Education. Yesterday we finished the chapter of locus and equation. Today we'll start straight line. This is the part of coordinate geometry, and this is also an important chapter. So, as on the perspective of entrance exam like BD, CT, SSC, so I'm giving some form equations about the straight line, like equation of line. Okay, like equation of x-axis, y is equal to 0. This is the equation of x-axis. Similar like equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. How you can know that? Draw the Cartesian diagram. Positive equation of x-axis. This is the x-axis in any direction, either this direction as well as this direction. Here y units is 0, there is no y units, y is 0. That's why this is called equation of x-axis. This is y is equal to 0. Okay, in case of y-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, this is the y-axis. In y-axis, x term is 0, x unit is 0, anywhere in x unit 0, because this is only straight line, so x unit is 0. That's why this is called x is equal to 0. Okay, then equation of line. Parallel to x axis, that is equal to equation of parallel to x axis, that is equal to y is equal to b. Okay, let's what is b? I will tell you. Equation of line parallel to x axis. Line, this is parallel to x axis. This line parallel to x axis, maybe this line parallel to x axis, maybe this line, this distance. If you take this distance is b, then equation line parallel to x axis, and this is b, then equation will come y is equal to b. Like in this case, maybe this is different b. B is a unit, b is a constant. Okay, it may vary according to the distance. Same as equation of lines parallel to y axis, x is equal to a. Okay, equation line parallel to y axis, like this axis, this line, like this line. Okay, this unit, this distance is a unit. The equation line parallel to y axis is equal to x is equal to a. Okay, I'm giving some generalized formula of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, this is the slope. M is the slope, c is the intercept. Okay, when a line like this is the x coordinate, and this is y coordinate, when the line cuts like this. Okay, this is the slope m, and this is the intercept c. Okay, this is a y is equal to mx plus c. This is one form I am giving, like in the equation, like they give only one point, x1, y1, and they give only the slope. How can you find the equation of the straight line? This same as use x minus y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line when one point is given and slope of the line is given. This is one form and this is another form. Okay, another form is there when 2 points are given, x1 minus 1 is point and x2 y2 another point. Then how can you find the equation of the straight line? Then as you know, slope is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I told this in the previous class. Okay, then equation of the straight line how will come? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 as per this. Okay, and slope m is come from this, so y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line when 2 points are given. Okay, just remember the equations. This will help you to solve objective questions. I am giving you other 2-3 equation of the straight line of different forms. Another form is the intercept method. Intercept form. Okay, this is x minus a plus y by b, x by b plus x by a plus y by b, that is equal to 1. What does we mean that? Like this is the equation of straight line. The line cuts the x-axis in a unit. This is intercept of a, and the line cut the y-axis, the intercept of b. Okay, this is equation of the straight line in the intercept form. Okay, another form is there. We told that this is called normal form. Okay, normal form. Just remember this form. This equation useful when they only give the x-intercept or y-intercept, then they told you to find the equations of the straight line. Okay, then just put the x-intercept value and y-intercept value, solve the equation, and find the answer. Okay, in case of normal form, where x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What is p? Like this. When this is the straight line, this is the perpendicular of the straight line, this is the p point xy, and this makes an alpha. This is the point. Okay, when x coordinate and y coordinates meet, this is positive x, this is positive y, and this is alpha. They give only pxy point and alpha angle. They may be told that find the equation of the straight line in case of normal form. So you only use the value here x. Okay, and they give the point p. Okay, they only use alpha. Alpha means cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and xy are variables, right? Another generalized form of the equation of the straight line, that is generalized form straight line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the generalized form of the straight line. Maximum of the question I saw many questions. Maximum of the question written in terms of this generalized form. You may means you can convert to generate form to any form, intercept form, other forms, like some equation is there, y is equal to mx plus c, then convert generated form to this form. Then how can you convert? Then by is equal to minus c minus ax, the by is equal to minus ax minus c, the y is equal to minus ax by b minus c by b, right? Then what is the slope? The y is equal to amx plus c, then c is just equate this x term and c term, c is constant, the minus c by b, c is okay, and this m is equal to minus a by b. When like in this form, some equation given 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Find the slope of this straight line. That's m is equal to minus a by b minus 2 divided by b, how much? 3. Then this is the slope of this straight line. This straight line, and this is ax, and by plus c is equal to 0, c 7, and b is equal to 3, and a is equal to 2. Just put here minus a by b minus 2 by 3. Okay, easily you can find the slope of the straight line. Like equation given ax plus by is, this is the generalized form, and they told that find the general form in terms of intercept method. Yb is equal to 1. Okay, then just do that, ax plus by minus c. Okay, right, just divide here, ax minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. Then x divided by minus c by a plus y minus c by b equal to 1. Okay, then a how must come? C by a. This just equated this equation and this equation. You can find the intercepts like this. Easily you can find that. I prepared some questions for you. After I told the concept, then I will show you some questions. I will solve some questions which is related to your exams. They give that like there is one equation, one straight line is there, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, right? Another equation is there, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two equations is given. They told that find the angle between two lines. Okay, as we know, previous class I told you that tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 n2. That I told na. Then how much is m1 is there? M1 is, how much is m1 is there? M1 is slope of this line minus a1 by b1, and slope of this line m2 is minus a2 by b2. Just put here minus a1 by b1 minus of minus a2 by b2 whole divided by 1 plus a1 by b1 into a2 by b2. Okay, and then how this will when you solve this is minus minus plus, the minus a1 by b1 plus a2 by b2. Okay, and this will come, how much this will come? b1, just multiply here, b1 b2 plus a1 a2 divided by b1 b2. When you solve all of these, okay, this will come a1 a2 b1 minus a1 b2 whole divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This will come because when you do that, this will come this side, this will negative a1 b2, and this will come this side, okay, a2 b1, right? And b1 b2, this is cancelled in this is also in the lower part, and this is also in the lower part, so this will cancel, okay. This will then this is called tan theta. This is the angle between two lines, okay. If they ask, okay, if the lines are parallel, like if the lines are parallel, because they are like this, the angle is theta 0 degree. When theta is equal to 0 degree, then tan theta how much will come? Tan 0 is 0, right? Then when this will come 0, and when you put here a2 b1 minus a1 b2 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2, okay, this will come this side, this will 0 multiply a1 into this will 0, then a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to 0. That will come, okay. Let's take a1 b2 takes the a1 b2, so a2 a1 is equal to b2 b1. When this will come, then the equations are parallel, okay. Just I'm giving some, I'm telling, like when the coefficients, ratio of the coefficients are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Like this is condition 1, when the lines are parallel. When the lines are perpendicular, like tan 90 to infinity is equal to a2 b1 minus a1 b2 whole divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Just come here, then this will come 0, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. This is the condition when the lines are perpendicular. There is two conditions came when they give two lines and told that how the lines are related as on the basis of angles. Just do that, just find the for easy calculation, when the lines are perpendicular, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. When the lines are parallel, a2 a1 is equal to b2 b1. This is a two simplified form. Just when you I'll show some questions there. The two lines is given, like 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Some one line is given minus 5x plus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. And when the option is given that either they are parallel or perpendicular or not related something. When this type of option is there, just find the slope of the two lines, okay. You know this is a1 and this is b1, a2 b2, just put here. If they are related, then you can find easily the answers. There is some shortcut is given when both lines are parallel. When both lines are parallel, then just like some line is given a1x by plus c is equal to 0. When both lines are parallel, just only the coefficient c changes, like same, a coefficient by little same, other means the ratio will same, other or they will remain same, and plus k is equal to 0. When this type of equation is there, like some equation is 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, another equation is 2x plus 4 means 3y and plus 8 is equal to 0, then just see the equations C1 and the constant are different, just put answer this line as parallel, as the when the constant only changes means the constant differs, like this is 5, this is 8, maybe whatever the constants, but the coefficient will remain same, and these two lines are parallel. Okay. And how can you find when two lines are perpendicular? Well, some equation is given a1x plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? When both lines are perpendicular, this is a coefficient of x, this is b, okay, coefficient of y, just interchange with negative sign. Okay, there is a negative sign. How can you see that? Let's cross check. How can you cross check that the two lines are perpendicular? This is the equation. I told you this is the easiest formula. Just see the equation and you can mark the correct answer. But how can you just cross check? How can you cross check that the two lines are really perpendicular or not? And as we know, slope of two lines when multiplied, this will come -1 when both lines are perpendicular, right? And the slope of the line 1 is how much? Minus a1 by b. So slope of the line 2 how much? Minus b by minus a. Okay, b cancel, the b cancel and cancel. This will come -1. Then this process is right. That's mean that when slope of the lines are -1, but when the slope of the two lines, when you multiply two lines, when this will come -1, then the two lines are perpendicular. For the easiest way to remember that, just interchange the coefficients with negative signs of the y. Otherwise, you can find in the lengthy way in the first principle, like first principle calculation. Find the line of the two lines, find the slope of the two lines, like one is m1 and another is m2. Just multiply that. If the outcomes come -1, then this is both lines are perpendicular. I'm giving you some means general tricks so that just easily remember. Just remember the formula. Just put that value and you can find the answer. Okay. The tricks one, equation of the line passing through the point alpha beta and parallel to another line. This line, let's take the line is x plus y plus c is equal to 0. Like find the equation of the line, like this line. Okay. Equation of the line passing through the point, like this point passing through this point alpha beta, and parallel to this line, this line. When this line is parallel and they give that equation of the line, this x plus by plus c is equal to 0. and they told to find the equation of the line passing through alpha beta. There is a point on alpha beta and in parallel to this line. That is the easiest way to remember that. This is the minus alpha A plus beta B is equal to 0. This is the easiest way to just see the questions and value alpha and beta and A from here, and we can find that equation of the line. Okay. Otherwise, there is a first principle calculation. We can find that like Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0. As this line and this line are parallel. Okay. Parallel means slope remains same. M1 is equal to M2. Okay. Then slope. What is the slope? This is the slope M. Okay. This line slope and this line slope remains same because they are parallel. And there is slope given, another point given. As you know, I told you previously, there is a formula when slope and one point is given, equation of x minus alpha is equal to minus a by b y minus beta. The 2 points. When you solve this equation, this will come to here. Easily, you can find that. Another trick is there, same as equation of the line passing through alpha beta and perpendicular to the line Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0. In the previous class, this is parallel, and in this case this is perpendicular. Then what is the equation of the line? Ax minus By minus beta alpha minus B alpha minus B beta A equal to 0. This is the easiest way to write the equation of the line passing through the alpha beta point and perpendicular to the line x plus 1, like this line. Okay, and this is a point alpha beta is given, and another line which is perpendicular, and they given that equation of the line Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0, right? If you want to cross check, this is the formula. Just remember the formula. In case of objective questions, you need to save your times. Okay, but when you want to, if you have doubt, if you don't remember the formula about this time of exam, if the formula are not click to in your mind, then just use the first principle calculation. As you know, when two lines are perpendicular, m1 and 2 is equal to minus 1, and this line are perpendicular, then equation of this line, like the line 1 and line 2, and the slope is m1 and slope is m2, and equation m1, how much m1 is come? Minus a by b, this line. As you know, m1 into m2 minus 1, as two lines are perpendicular, so minus a by b into m2 is equal to minus 1. Then how much m2 will come? B by a. M2 is b by a. That is, then we found that b by a, this is the slope of the line, and there is a one point is given. Then how can you find the equation? Same as the one point, and if slope is given, then x minus alpha is equal to b slope into y minus beta. This is the equation of the straight line. Okay. Another concept was there. Okay, I think the time is over.